Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I am Muhammad Oliullah. I am a student of American school in Alexandria, Virginia, T.C. William High School. I started from Hammond. I am in Bangladesh. Last night I have a lot of issue with Bangladesh government because governments went against Bangladesh rule and regulations. Internationally, they're breaking all the rules. Bangladesh Army head Mr. Waqaruzzaman and some news reporters and police pradhans and Bangladesh all DC, all SP, all OC and Bangladesh the Awami League leaders and BMP leaders. So there's a lot of issue with it, and I have been right now. I am live. Inshallah, I don't know what to do. I went to the police station to make case, 250 case, and my family is over there, and I have 5,000 case. I have all the evidence with me, in my house, and copy America with my family, so my family can make international case with, I know Homeland Security. I know Homeland Security. I know Interpol. I know Outpol. I know Immigration. I know American ATF. I know American FBI. I know CIA officer. I know Indian RAW. I know Israel Musa. I know Bangladesh BSS. So I know where to put the case on Bangladesh, because Bangladesh people that run away with the money, Bangladesh residents, this is the immigration issue. In the immigration issue, if the immigration don't take the case from Bangladesh, all the Awami League leaders and BMP leaders run away with Bangladesh money, Bangladesh people money, government money, then we're gonna put the case on Interpol. Then we're gonna put the case on Homeland Security, because this is Bangladesh people citizen home. They run away with the money in another home, so they need to bring it back. So under this, they say no country ever can turn it off Swiss bank. We're gonna attack Swiss bank, because all of the money they run away with our country. Swiss bank, Switzerland have to return our money, or we're going to shut down the Swiss bank, because Swiss bank have a lot of crime around the world. Or internationally, we put all type of regulation of Switzerland. They cannot do nothing. Like they always threat our country, same way. So everybody have to understand. And America, Trump, don't forget, you looking forward getting international case. So we are requesting NATO be with us, not with over the sea, America, because America not help over the sea. We're gonna turn all of their ass off, or if they throw up weapons over the sea, because we have a lot of our Muslim brothers in America in their agent. Don't forget about that. We're getting update. So I'm telling all of the country working together. And the latest news, the Bangladesh Shumoy, the news report and news channel have given to me. I'm the owners, but I donated to Bangladesh Islamic Foundation. The Shumoy right now, they don't have no Malik. The owner is Bangladesh. Shumoy owner is Bangladesh. Me, no. Islamic Foundation, everybody in Bangladesh own Shumoy News channel. Okay? Because the MD, the supervisor, the president of Shumoy, they came to me. They give me this. I am the news reporters. Shumoy news reporters. You understand this? So before your America come to me, your CIA, you have to answer my question. So you have to, all of thing I make video this about, you have to show me in front of TV. And before you show me on TV, your Shuman, this made by America, because Dr. Yunus is chosen by America. Your Dr. Inus, your government, because Bangladesh is not Bangladesh army, because Bangladesh army, they will work for Bangladesh citizen, but Bangladesh army kill Bangladesh citizen. So that's your army. Your army, Mr. Wakaruজ্জামান, he went to Pentagon. If he kill me, then you will be sued for $50 trillion to Bangladesh. You have to pay Bangladesh because you all this time you stole money from Bangladesh. You try to hide the evidence. The evidence is me. So America, Trump try to hide the evidence. The evidence is me, and I made this video and I'm uploading on the internet and I'm sending copy to Trump. If Trump see this video and he came, he pay Bangladesh what is that Wakaruজ্জামান police head, then judge, then Bangladesh Awami League, BMP and Suman Nayak, they made Bangladesh, because Bangladesh only one religion and only one team. This is Islam. Their Nabi Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam choose for them, so they cannot choose the other group, Awami League, BMP or Suman Nayak. That's made by America. If the America try to kill me, they try to kill Bangladesh citizen. So Bangladesh sue America for hiding the evidence, and they have to pay the $50 trillion to Bangladesh government or Bangladesh innocent people. Everybody account. Everybody will get pay about 1 million or 1.5 million. That's like is a Bangladesh. Everybody, every head gonna get pay $1.5 million, American dollars, and American government have to pay that. That's the good things. So think about it. You want to work with me, Trump, all of them, or you want to get, And my best friend, I love you, best friend. My best friend is a Russia, Putin. You know Putin? Putin, and I love, in Putin, he have Ramzan Kadiri. He's my best friend. He is personally very educated me. He is a very knowledgeable. He can send me a lot of knowledge. Ramzan Kadiri, I love him. Personally, I really love him like my big brothers. And we really love Mr. Putin. He's a very good man, very good president. That's all I got to say. I'm going right now. That's up to you, Trump, what you want to do. You want to kill me or not? That's Bangladesh. Suman Nayak your, Bangladesh Awami League your, Bangladesh BMP your, Bangladesh Army your, Bangladesh Police your. And Bangladesh is my Bangladesh. And my citizen, all, what they call Mizanur Rahman Azhari is mine. All the Imam is mine, all the Hafez is mine, all the Rishka driver is mine, all the auto driver is mine, all the poor people is mine. They don't have government to work. There's my people, my citizens. I love them. So think what you want to do. That's all I got to say. You want to bring Sheikh Hasina back in Bangladesh, or you want to fix this out, sit together, that's up to you. That's all I got to say. I got nothing to say. I'm ready to die. That's it. Cut out.